today I'm going to teach you guys how to make Supreme original brownies, but we're doing it with a little twist because we're adding some chocolate syrup and we are cooking them in mini brownie tins. Okay, so you start with your brownie mix into a big bowl. Actually, preheat your oven. This one is 350. Go ahead and do that before we get started. Now, so we have our mix in. You'll need 3 tablespoons of water and 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. Put those in. It says you need 1 egg. I like to crack my egg into a separate bowl just in case I get like shell or it's a bad egg. There we go. Perfect. Just dump that right in. And 1 more. Okay, that goes in. Wash my hands. Always after you're dealing with raw eggs, you wash your hands. Now I'm going to add chocolate syrup to these brownies. Get it all in, make it nice and gooey. This helps make them really chewy. We're gonna mix it up with a spatula. Make sure you break up that egg. And make sure you get it really mixed in. Dig deep down at the bottom and pick up all that dry batter. It'll be nice and thick. Before you put your brownies in, make sure you spray your pan so there's no sticking. And then I like to take an ice cream scoop because it gives me just the right amount. I'm going to scoop this off so we get every little bit. And then you just scoop them in. Super easy. These will go into the oven for about 15 minutes just because they're so small. You don't want to bake them like you would bake a large sheet of brownies because they'll burn. They won't taste as good. I fill them up about halfway just to allow for them to rise a little bit. You don't want it to crisp over. With the mini ones, everybody gets like the 4 crispy edges, which is my favorite part of the brownie. It's super easy to get it in. Like you get the perfect scoop every time if you use an ice cream scoop. They're all equal. And this recipe makes about 12 brownies. And I like to eat them as soon as they're out with vanilla ice cream and chocolate hot fudge. It's so good. So I'll just bake these for 15 minutes and then we'll enjoy them.